Hello guys, today in this video we will talk AAA provide which type of insurance, AAA insurance services, AAA insurance product. Okay, so how many types of insurance they are providing right now? So you can see this is the list. They are providing pet insurance, umbrella insurance, life insurance, business insurance also, and earthquake insurance, home plus auto insurance, auto plus home insurance, mobile insurance. Each and every insurance details you can see on your screen. So these are the insurance they are providing right now. Okay, so if you want to know more about their insurance plans, then you can also contact with their customer support team. I will provide you numbers in our phone numbers in our video description box. You can get in touch with the customer support team and you can ask questions related to your queries. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.